So hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how we can create a resource group in Azure. So first you have to go to azureportal.azure.com, then you have to log in there. Once you have logged in, you have to go to the search bar and you have to search resource group. Once you click on resource group, you will see this screen. Here you will have to click on create, and then you will have to fill the few details. Now you will have to select subscription. So if you have logged in for the first time, the free trial will be available for you. So this subscription you have to select. Then you have to give your resource name, demo resource group RA. Then I will have to select the region. So currently by default STS is selected. Whatever region you want, that you can select from this list. Then you have to go to next. If you have to change anything here you can, otherwise leave it as it is. Then just you have to review your changes, that is subscription is free trial, resource group name is demo RA, region is STS. Then you have to click on create. Yeah, so as you can see here, your resource group is created now. Now by using this resource group, you can create multiple services like Azure Functions, virtual machines, etc.